Hey YouTube, welcome back. So it turns out this battery that I tried to revive before, there's a bad cell on the left hand side, which is toward the negative terminal. As you can see, that one is not bubbling as much compared to the other one. The one on the right hand side is the positive terminal. So right now currently we are using the DC inverter to charge it, 100 amp. So you can see other 5 cells are bubbling like crazy except the one on the left hand side. So I test out with the voltage meter, and then one on the left hand side is bad. The thing shows like 0 volt or 0.57 volt compared to all other ones like 2 volt, 2 point something volt. So I'm going to let it run about 10 minutes and do it like 4 different cycles and see. So now you see the left side is start slowly bubbling now. So well, actually earlier was like a 70 amp. Right now it's about 100. So I turn it off. Alright, so I'm going to do the check on this battery with this Normandy's battery tester. So I'm going to check it, and out of vehicle, regular flooded, and cold cranking amp is 425. Wow, that is very good. State of health is 74%, 315 amp, and then state of charge is 98%, 12.73, and internal resistance is 9.51 milliohm, which is pretty awesome. And that's only first cycle. Wow. So I'm going to do 3 more cycles, and hopefully this will revive it completely, because last time I tried to revive it, I only crank up less than 100 amp because I was kind of afraid because of sulfuric acid. So you want to make sure all those cells are bubbling. If one of the cells is not bubbling like crazy or no bubbles at all, that means your batteries or the cell is dead. Alright, so this is the second cycle, and I crank up to like 120 amp. As you can see, the left hand side is boiling correctly now. So you want to make sure all of them like boil like that or bubble. Alright, so we finished the second cycle, and then we rest for 10 minutes. Now I'm gonna clip it to test out the battery. So let's go and then check it again. Alright, so the voltage is 12.77 volt. Wow, internal resistance went down more, 8.45 milliohm, and state of health it's at 85%, 355 amp. Wow, that is pretty awesome. So we're gonna do this 2 more cycle. Alright, so after resting for 10 minutes, I'm gonna plug it in now again and to test it out. Wow, 376 amp, 12.79. Wow, good battery, no way. And then the internal resistance shows 8 million ohm, no way. Let's do the last one. So as you see, all the cells are bubbling, which is good. Okay, when it's smoking like that, make sure you don't smell the fume. Yeah, I'm gonna shut it off now. Let it rest for 10 minutes. Okay, I'm gonna clip it on to check the voltage again. So it's 371 amp. The voltage is 12.89 volt. Internal resistance is 8.08 million ohm. And it says good battery. Let's go ahead and clean this up real quick, and then put on the car and see if it's gonna crank. I'm gonna unclamp it. I'm gonna clean this mess up. Alright, so now I put the battery onto the vehicle. We're gonna connect the positive terminal first. Okay. We're just gonna put it on there for now, and then the negative, watch out for a spark. Alright, and now I'm gonna start the car and show you guys. So yeah, before it doesn't even allow me to crank, so let's show you guys. So yeah, I need to open my garage because the exhaust is gonna be pretty stinky. Well, I'm gonna start the car. So I check it when it's on the vehicle, and it says good battery. Wow, internal resistance 7.51 milliohm. State of health is 399 amp. Voltage 12.81. So I did the second test. It shows 401 state of health. State of charge is 12.82, and internal resistance 7.48 milliohm. Good battery. Oh, there you go. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.